Hey folks, my name is Sheldon. I work out of Dueck Richmond, 12100 Featherstone Way. You may know me as the Truck Hunter, and you can find me here 6 days a week, sometimes 7. This 2008 GMC Sarah is in impeccable shape. I'm going to take you up close so that you can see the paint on it as well. It is very, very well cared for. Even the front bumper and the front of the hood, you can see there's no nicks on it. So it didn't see even a lot of highway driving. Local retired guy that owned it. It's got Goodrich All Terrain Rubber on it, really aggressive tread on it, and in excellent shape. You can see the alloys, they're not even pitted. Neither is the running boards. And all the paint here is in fantastic shape. One little nick on the mirror here, but that's about it. The leather itself is not worn at all, so I honestly think you didn't even have a lot of passengers in the vehicle. Comes with all-weather mats. Back seat, again, the leather in great shape, no blemishes, no rips. The paint, again, very nice shape. Alloy wheel back here, none of the alloy wheels are pitted at all. We do have the hard shell tonneau cover. Even the hydraulics for it are in great shape. Not laggy or fading at all. The box is in good shape. He's got this rubber mat in it. Paint all the way around, the alloy wheels, the running boards. None of it is in tough shape at all. Even the leather seats, or the seat for the driver, you can see not a lot of wear and tear. There's a power driver's seat, DVD player, sunroof. It's got your heated seats, memory seats right here. It's got navigation, as you can see, the adjustable pedals. It's got the rear parking sensors, traction control, of course, dual climate control. It does have Bluetooth, cruise control, and 68,436 kilometers. My name is Sheldon, Dueck Richmond, 604-362-2922. If you want to give me a call, have any questions about it, certainly I'd be happy to answer them for you. And thanks for looking in.